Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Snapchat account. If you're using Snapchat and you want to delete your Snapchat account, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Snapchat app. So very first I recommend you have to make an update into your Snapchat app to prevent issues. So after updating, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile option in the top left corner, then select settings and privacy option. Just scroll down and you will get the option of delete account. Just select delete account option, and here you just have to enter your account password. So here you'll get your username. So here you have to enter your account password. So once you have entered your account password, your account will be deactivated. It will not delete. Your account will be deactivated. So you have only 30 days to reactivate your account if you want, or if you don't want to reactivate your account. So after the 30 days, your account will be completely deleted from Snapchat. So in this way, you can easily delete your Snapchat account permanently. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.